This is a worktop. You're all familiar with it. It's the main character in your kitchen, at the coffee shop, and of course, the bar. But have you ever wondered how a worktop is made? At Kronospan, we've mastered the production cycle so that we can deliver high quality at high speed and be accessible to each and every one of you. We start by producing the heart of your worktops, the particle board. Of course, not every PB board can become a worktop. It has to be of certain size and thickness, which we make sure are always up to par. Once the boards get delivered to the worktop's production facility, the fun bit begins. Our board makes its first stop on the line to get any imperfections on the side sanded off. Then, it gets generously coated with glue. The board gets sandwiched between high-quality protective paper at the bottom and an HPL sheet at the top with a water and heat-resistant properties. The next stop is the heat press, where the layers get thermally fused. Once we've gotten those secured, it's time to flip the board and cut it into a standard worktop size. If you look closely, you will see a strip of HPL sticking outside the board. As it goes through the post-forming section, the extra PL gets heated up and bent around the edge of the board to give it either square or round edge finish. Ah, here comes our favorite part, the human touch. Our line operators check the edges of every single board for bumps or other imperfections. Then, they measure the board to make sure there are no deviations from the standard size. After the inspection goes successfully, the worktop goes off for packaging. Finally, the product gets picked up and transported to the warehouse where it awaits its delivery to you. It is a long journey, indeed, but the destination makes it all worth it.